What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. This video, as you saw by the title, is going to be you can have a more youthful look on mature skin. So if that is something that you're interested in, then just keep on watching. So as I said in the intro, I'm going to share with you how I get my youthful look on mature skin. And one way I do that is with Merit Beauty. Merit Beauty is a minimalist beauty brand. Their motto is less is more, and that's right up my alley. You guys know that I tend to go for a more natural look, a more simplistic look, and that is right in line with Merit. So when they reached out to me to share some of their products, I said, that's great, I would love to. And so they did send me a couple products that I want to share with you today. So right now I have already moisturized my face, cleansed and moisturized my face, and I have already applied their glow serum. Now their glow serum is a somewhat thin consistency, but it is supposed to moisturize and plump the skin and give you that glow from within look. So as you can see, I'm already glowing just a little bit, and the only thing I have on my face again is a moisturizer and the Great Skin Glow Serum. Okay, I've also applied their complexion stick that Merit has. Now this is not a foundation, but it can take the place of your foundation as well as your concealer. So I use the color Buff. Guys, I love the packaging. Their packaging is right in line with their philosophy too of less is more, simplicity, but it's very elegant looking. So this is the complexion stick in the color Buff, and I've already applied it to my face as well. Applying the complexion stick on top of the serum makes it just go on, glide on so easily and give you even coverage. If you are someone who likes full coverage, then this may not be for you, because this is supposed to give you a more light to medium coverage. It's supposed to give you a sheer look. It's supposed to look like skin. So if you take a close up here on my skin, you can still see my imperfections here, or some people would call them imperfections. They are freckles, as well as, you know, just a few little dark spots that I have. So it didn't completely cover it, but it did give me an even texture, and that's what the complexion stick is supposed to do. It's just basically even out your complexion. So you can put it all over, or you can spot treat, whatever way you want to do it. So I've already applied that. The reason I did those two is because what I really want to show you is the new to me product. So this product has been out for a little while, but it's new to me. I've never tried it, even though I have shown you other Merit products on my channel. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link them here. But this particular product is the Bronzing Balm. And again, very sleek, just beautiful packaging, very Merit in my opinion. So the color I have is Seine. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it looks like this. So this is a bronzing balm. You can use it on the places that normally get light if you want to, or you can use it, you know, in places to kind of sculpt your face or whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit here, and as you can see, it's very natural looking. And then I'm just going to put a little bit up here just to warm me up a little. And then I'm gonna put some over here. And then we're just going to blend it out a little bit. They did send me a darker color just in case, because I wasn't sure what color I would need, but I'm going with the lighter color right now. All of Merit's products do have emollients in them, and that's what makes them nice for mature skin. They don't sink into fine lines. They keep that glow on your skin. They don't dry out your skin. So for those of you who do have dry skin, now that I mentioned that, these products will be really good for you, as well as for mature skin. But if you're someone with oilier skin, you may want to keep, you know, a powder on hand just to kind of set your makeup so it doesn't look overly greasy, or it doesn't add to your oiliness. So I do want to let you know that for someone like me who has mainly combination skin. Sometimes it can be dry because it's cool here. Depending on the weather, it can be a little bit dry, but for the most part, this works well for me. This is it. I put a little bit there. So like I said, it is supposed to be sheer. It is buildable. So again, you can build it up. You can go darker with a complexion stick or with the balm to contour if you wanted to. I am going more for a natural look. So the next product that I am going to put on is just a little bit of cheek color, just to brighten it up a bit. Now this is a cheek color I have used before. I've shown it on my channel before, so it's not new, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it there and then just kind of pat. See, just to give me a little extra color, like so. Now I'm going to go in and just kind of use their brow pomade just to kind of brush my brows down. And you guys can do this first, you know, for those of you who really do your brows a lot. I just decided to do it now. I saw it, but they do have a brow pomade as well. This is in the color brown black. So yeah, I just did that just to kind of lay them down a little bit. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to share with you, which is what they sent me, is their Shade Slick lip color or lip tint. It's kind of between a lip oil and a lip stain, so it is called their Shade Slick lip tint, and it's kind of like a tinted oil. It is very moisturizing. The more you use it, the more moisturizing your lips will be. It's again very sheer but buildable, so I'm going to put it on top of my lips so you can see. This is in the color Taupe. So a very neutral color. But again, right up my alley. So of course you can use a lip liner with it if you have one of your favorite lip liners, or you can use it plain. This is what it looks like alone. And then I'm gonna layer it over one of their lipsticks so you can see how that looks. So I'm going to use the Tiger. See that packaging? Really nice. This is going to give a little bit of a bolder look. A little bit, not much, don't get excited. And then I'm going to put the lip oil on top. See, it adds just a little bit extra. Okay, guys, and this is the finished look. So again, it looks very much like me, with a little bit on my cheeks, a little bit on my lips, an evened out skin tone that still has some blemishes showing. This is how I get a very glow from within youthful look on mature skin. If you guys are interested in any of Merit's beauty products, I will have a link in the description box below. I do want to let you know, if you click that link and you make a purchase of $40 or more, you will get free shipping. You will also get one of their signature bags on your very first purchase. So if you've purchased before, of course you've already received this bag, but if this is going to be your first time purchasing, you definitely would get one of their signature bags. What's nice about these bags is you can use them for your makeup, and you can use them for just going out if you wanted to. They are reusable. If they get dirty, they are machine washable. So there's so many things that you can use this bag for. It's just really cute. It just ties, it has no hardware on it, so it won't get messed up in the washer or anything like that. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.